look like a slob. My parents don't like that.
Oh, who cares about your parents anyway?
How can you say that?
I say that every time. You should know it by now.
I know, you just keep nonstop talking. I
don't
can't
care.
stand it.
Quit interrupting.
Quit interrupting. You do nothing but
There you
talk.
go, interrupting again.
Oh, I can't believe you're like this.
Well, you should believe it. I'm getting out of here.
You know, we never talked in the beginning.
That's
we
it.
had a good time.
I don't care. Divorce.
You
I
know,
want a divorce.
Hey, you want to leave? Just get the heck out of here. You know, my parents said your hands were bigger than your
Well,
brain.
I'm out of here.
Oh, good riddance.